4 years, 4 homes, and 2 names. Well, more than 2 names. Anyway, it's the Tennessee Titans now at Adelphia Coliseum. But Jeff Blake to Willie's Jackson and Bruce Cousins' Bengals at trail 26-7. They lead 29-26. But Jeff Blake, who ran for almost 100 yards, often had leg cramps. He had to go in and out. Achilles Smith played a little bit, and he fumbled from center. 1 for 2 for 11 yards. Tom, 35-26, the Titans trailing. Steve McNair to Eddie George.
Yeah, and a lot more aggressive throwing the ball down the football field and throwing aggressively even with his short passes, Steve McNair.
So Jeff Fisher and the Titans trail 35-33 after the extra point. 12 seconds to go. Still, same score. Al Del Greco, Houston Oilers. Tennessee playing in Memphis, in Nashville. And now it's a Titan. It's good. He now has over 300 field goals for his career. And wow, what a big comeback for the Bengals. Spoiled as Tennessee wins a wild one. We don't really have time to show you how wild this game was. 36-35.